Hey, what is up, everyone? It is Justin, aka the Earbuds Collector, back from perhaps the dead, aka schoolwork, and attempting to get a job like normal people. I'm back. Just happy to be back with another low-res unboxing. So today I'm checking out the Betron YSM 1000 earbuds. These actually look pretty slick in the box and online, but of course that's what all figures look like. So let's jump right into it. So we open it up. It goes like this, and we see card. You know, it says Betron discount card, 20% off. Sweet. I'll save that. We get the bag, I guess, for holding it along. Feels like there's something inside the bag, and there is. Dump it out. Replacement buds. So these are like, oh, if your ears are larger or smaller than whatever is there. So anyhow, here is the actual headphones. So they come in this sweet little container. You know, it's pretty cool. I don't know. These they feel pretty sturdy. So it's like, I feel like it's like a cheaper plastic type of feel. I mean, you're only gonna get like such great material, you know, in $15, $13 range. So I mean, I can't expect a giant difference. But see here. So they did try to make it look fancy, and I guess I don't know. This looks pretty cool, and I guess I'm ready to try them out. So, I know it's funny, but I did take a listen to these. They feel good in your ear, first of all. So this part here, I don't know, this part here just fits perfectly in. A little bit less than some other earbuds I felt, but this is definitely, the feeling is great. It blocks out a fair amount of noise, in my opinion. So there was some other stuff going on in the background. And I'm like, hey, I was listening to this, so, you know, it was pretty good. So I guess the bass is really, really, really clear on this. And I know some other people have said that, but it's just, it's fascinating. It's like a throbbing, you feel it. I think that's a little bit different than some of the other earbuds I've tried. In some of the higher parts, it starts to flatten out. I don't know, mute a little bit. It's kind of weird, but overall, these headphones are pretty good, actually. So for $13, I mean, you can't go wrong. These are pretty good. So Betron YSM 1000s, highly recommend them. So I know this is probably pretty short. Still getting back into the swing of things. But it's just really great to be back, make another video for YouTube. Subscribe if you like this stuff. I'm always open to hearing from people. I love interacting with people, so leave a comment. I'd love to talk to you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And have a great time, and see you in the next video.